This is the Writeback Manager, where you configure Writeback. Writeback should be configured with a domain name. This is typically a DNS entry that identifies your Writeback server. For example, writeback.example.com. The port is where Writeback will be answering in your server. We usually suggest 8143, as it is commonly free. SSL certificate and key files are mandatory to have Writeback running over HTTPS. The certificate should be issued to the domain used for Writeback. The private key should be exported without a password and have a .key extension. The next step is to enable an authentication method. After selecting it in the drop-down, it is necessary to save method. We will later finish configuring it in the site configuration. Only one method should be used. If you need more sites, you can add them here. Each site can have separate database and authentication configurations. Now it is time to configure the database connection. In the drop-down, choose your technology. Then, provide all the necessary connection details. This database is where Writeback will create the tables for your use cases. It is recommended that you use an account specific for Writeback. Lastly, test your settings to ensure a successful connection. In the Authentication tab, we will complete the authentication setup. In this example, we are configuring SAML. Set up a SAML app in your IDP by copying the provided entity ID and ACS URL. From your IDP, you will get a metadata file that you need to upload here. Finish by clicking Save Method to Site. In the License Management page, place your license and check its details. Once everything is ready, go to Apply Settings. Click on Apply to finish the configuration and apply the current settings to Writeback. When done, you have your .trex file ready to use in Tableau. If you have more than one site, each will have their .trex file.